Hi, Mike Love here at MarineMax at Summers Point. Today we're going to be walking through a 2024 Sailfish 316 Dual Console. Starting here in the back, a couple things to highlight. This boat's going to be powered by twin 300 Yamaha engines. You're going to have a nice bench seat in the back here for passengers, as well as a designated spot to put in a table for entertaining. A retractable ski tow pylon on the back if you want to do some water sports in addition to fishing. You'll notice I have a tremendous amount of space in the back here for fishing. That also have these two more pull-out bench seats. So tons of seating and tons of space for fishing. Dive drawer on the side here. Great option to have for when people floating onto the dock, or if you need to bring in that big tuna, you got a nice space to bring that in there. Moving to the front, more seating here on the port side, and then on the starboard side we have a galley area for entertaining. We have a freshwater washdown, a refrigerator, tackle storage. Over here you'll notice tons of rod storage, rocket launchers all over the boat, so you're going to have lots of options to keep the rods on board. Also, extremely high gunnels on these boats, highest in class. So when you're fighting that big fish, you'll see this is at my my hips here, so very locked into the boat. This also gives the boat a little bit more weight, which gives it an incredible ride. Moving to the front of the boat, at the helm here, very comfortable seat, armrests. You actually have the electronic switch to actuate your seat to find the position that's just right for you. Twin 12-inch Garmin's for chart plotter, sonar, or any of your needs up here. Switches for all of your controls, things like lighting and accessories. Digital throttle and shift on those Yamaha engines. Electronic steering as well, and a joystick on this option. So super easy to maneuver this dock around the boats. Moving over to the head compartment. I'll notice an extremely deep head on this boat. Lots of space, nice sink as well, accordion countertop there. Looking at the front of the boat, full windshield on this option. So if you're going to be running out to the canyon, doing a lot of long trips, this is going to be great for keeping you dry and keeping you warm, nice and comfortable, keep a lot of the wind off you. You also have this door here to block with the full windshield, so you are totally blocking the wind out, as well as storage underneath the console here. Underneath us, going to be a big storage for rod storage compartment. So this pops all the way up to fit a lot more rods under there as well. We have the covers in there at the moment. And then up here in the bow, a large seating area. So this is why we call this the compromise model. You have the fishing in the back, lots of seating in the front. So if you're bringing the family out, everyone can be comfortable. Again, those very high gunnels. You'll see when you're sitting down, this is at my shoulders. So if you have kids on board or anyone, you just want to make sure they're good and secure, very comfortable in the front. Also, you have access into that storage compartment under the console by pulling this up here. Super deep storage area, very convenient designated area for that table as well. So again, this is the 2024 Sailfish 316 Dual Console. If you'd like to see this boat or any of our other available inventory, we'll have to have you come down to MarineMax in Summers Point or give us a call at 609-926-0600. Thanks, and see you out on the water.